This is Samsung Galaxy A30S, and today I'll show how you can set up the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Notifications category. Here go into the Do Not Disturb page, and here you have it. Now you can enable or disable it. You can set up for how long it will be active for. You can also configure the automatic schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode to follow. You can also set up the exceptions for calls, messages, and conversations, alarms and sounds, and apps. You can also go into the hide notifications and change the options preferences here. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.